Okay. Alright YouTube, welcome back to Twisted V-Twin Garage. Had to go out and pick up some parts. We got some wire loom. And that's going to go for building the wiring harnesses. I got two different sizes. 1/4 inch rounds that we're going to use on this. And we got 1/2 inch. Bought this at Harbor Tool, and we got some sorted wiring ends that we're going to use on our wire to do all of our hookups on this motor, get everything all fired up and get moving on it. This build's been taking a long time. We're going to also switch this fuel cell out, and we're going to go with this fuel cell right here. We're going to remove this one and put the bigger cell on it, because this one isn't going to keep enough fuel to that motor. Then we've been experimenting, building some more tanks, and this one was just built. We just got this one all welded up and everything, but this one I think is going to be overkill, way too big for this. But if nothing else, we can use this tank on the Case 222 for a hydraulic tank. But we're getting some tanks done up and everything, and getting everything ready to go so we can start finishing up some of these builds and get them out. So there you have it. Wanted to show you what I went and picked up so we can get this motor wired, make us a nice wiring harness so everything looks nice and neat, nothing can rub or anything. But just thought I would make a little video, quick video, show you what we picked up, where we're going with this, and I'm going to end this video here. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. We do this so that everybody can see what we do, and we have a good time doing it. So once we start building the wiring harness, we're going to video all that, put it out so you guys can see it, and it should be a pretty awesome build here. It'll be all complete, and hopefully the wife will really enjoy it. So thank you for watching.